Alright, welcome back to MBMRC. This is Brian. Before we get too far into today's video, you guys are doing a great job with the contest, but I do want to point out here about 83% of you still are not subscribed. We are running a contest. The way that works is, if we hit 1,000 subscribers by the 1st of September, the lucky winner gets to pick the Old School Model Works kit of his or her choosing. We buy it, we send it to you. Doesn't cost you a dime, doesn't cost you a dime to subscribe. So please like our videos and subscribe to the channel. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks. Alright, welcome back to another video from MBMRC. This is Brian. Today I'm just going to do a quick tip for you guys, something that I just kind of ran into today and I wanted to show everybody kind of how to do it. So, I'm sure a lot of you guys have a lot of these laying around, for those of you that fly Spektrum. I know that I do. All of the newer Spektrum receivers seem to have just the bind button on them, so you don't need a bind plug. Well, today I was out of all my new Spektrum receivers and I needed to use an old one. And the issue that I ran into was I don't have any bind plugs, which I don't know where they all went. I used to have a bunch of them laying around. So today I'm going to show you how to basically take an old servo, something that you're not going to use, and make yourself a bind plug out of it. It's real easy. It takes maybe 30 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that. Alright, so like I said, first thing that you're going to want to do, find an old servo that, like I said, you're probably not going to use. And I just use these big pliers here. Cut it off, give yourself a pretty liberal amount. And this actually might be a little bit tricky because these are very, very thin wires. Might have set myself up for a blooper reel here. But basically the center one, just as long as it's not going to anything, just go ahead and pull that out. And as long as you're shortening these two together, like so, as you can see, strip those back. And I mean, if you're using, a bigger servo, you may want to use like wire strippers, but as thin as these are, I could just use my fingernails. Thread these together. You could probably put some heat shrink on that if you wanted to. But yeah, that's a quick way to get yourself a quick and easy bind plug. So keep that in mind. Always, any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this video, please. And also, please don't forget about that contest we've got going on. Basically, again, it's 1,000 subscribers we want to get by the 1st of September. And if we do that, we're going to put all of the subscribers into a spreadsheet. And we're just going to pick somebody at random. We buy it's right there on my cutting pad. See, Old School Model Works. We'll buy the kit from him. It's whatever kit you want, the winner wants, we'll send it to the winner. So, yeah, like, subscribe, ask questions. Thanks. See you guys later.